Hope everyone's having a good day. Been playing around with my stihl chain grinder, and I found a couple issues with it. Okay, first issue. It's not a big deal, but it's just kind of a pain in the butt. This clamp plate right here, after you tighten it down right here, it doesn't grab the drivers of the chain very good. So as you're grinding, the chain lifts up, and that'll change the angle of your grind. So when you're grinding, don't have it in the right spot here. When you're grinding, it'll pull up right here. This is what the chain does. So when it does that, this angle changes. I just loosened it off just to show you guys. So what I did, it's tight now. I took this off, I put it in the vise, and I hit it right in the center all the way across, so that it's not flat, it's more pressure on this end and this end, and that fixed this issue. The other issue is this cheesy plastic clamp lever. So I think the setup on the Oregon is way better. So if any of you guys have this grinder, that was just a quick, simple fix I did, and it worked. But have a good day.